Hi, let me show you how to change keyboard theme on Samsung Galaxy A36. For that, if you are using Samsung keyboard, then you can immediately tap on the settings icon right on your keyboard and manage it from here. Or you can go in settings on your phone, pick General Management tab, then go in Samsung keyboard settings and manage it from here as well. So we are gonna scroll a bit down to find style and layout category, and here pick theme. As you can see, we got 4 options: light, solid light, dark, and solid dark. You can pick any of them and confirm your choice using this back arrow. Now if you are using Gboard, then let's go back in settings and here go in keyboards list and default. From here I'm gonna switch to Gboard as my default keyboard, and basically on your Gboard you can immediately tap this palette icon and you'll be able to change theme. As you can see here, we got a lot more options and categories such as landscapes, so we can install something, tap apply, and immediately use it. Also, you can find it in my themes tab, and by tapping on plus, you can also choose something from your photos and then use it as your keyboard by tapping down button. If you want to, you can remove key borders, but I'm gonna leave them and tap apply, and this is the result. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.